mornings we find that the kitties have left us presents, and here we were doing school, and Gilbert came up on the deck and found a mouse. No, he's still there playing with it. Oh, it's terrible. He's having an awful lot of fun, though. I mean, we're glad we have a mouser, but that was quite an interruption for our school day. Oh, gosh.
Gilbert.
Well, now we know who's been doing all the hunting.
Baby.
What do you think of that, Catherine?
He really likes that. Play with the mouse, Gilbert. Play with it.